Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learn and Apply with Sadia. As I said before when I started the HTML class 1 that I would also teach you learning language English, okay? So as I said before, so let's get started with it. So now, first of all, I'm gonna give you my introduction because I said that in that video that I will also give you my introduction. So let's start with that. So my name is Sadia Naqvi and I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. And basically, I'm a teacher at school and I have done two masters, first in English literature and second in education. So I want to devote my studies and I want to help you with those. Okay, so this was a little bit introduction of mine. So if you want to give me your intro, so you can give me in comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed me up till now, or if you're new to my YouTube channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to share my videos to anyone to help them in their studies, so I would be really thankful. And don't forget to like this video. And this is the first and last time I'm saying you, because it's up to you now to follow me, to subscribe me, to share. Okay, because your choice. So now let's move ahead to our topic. So the topic which I'm gonna teach you is easy and but a bit difficult for some students who aren't able to get to uh, get to understand that very much. Okay, because in according to Sindh board in Karachi, Pakistan, so there are many students who are unable to understand the topic the teachers teaching them, because they just memorize those questions, and in the paper they just solve up the paper, but not no more in my YouTube channel. So English language is a learning language, so you should take English as a language, not as a subject, not only as a subject. Okay, so now let's move ahead to our topic, and that is articles. Articles. So the most common perspective of people is that what are articles? If a teacher asks a student that what are articles, the student answers a and the. Yes, you are right, but not totally right. So the correct definition of article is any member of a certain word class used with noun phrases to indicate the identity of the noun phrases. Reference is known as an article in grammar. Component of speech is represented by the category of articles. The and are both articles in English. So what are they saying that what are the articles? Articles are any member of a certain word class which are used with noun phrases. Okay, so you just have to keep that in mind that whenever there's articles, where we use articles with a and the. So now there are two definitions which I'm going to teach you, so that you can get an understanding. Okay, uh, and they will help you in the next thing that I'm going to teach you in this video. So first of all is vowels. Vowels are vowels or vowels. Both are the correct pronunciation of the word. Okay. So vowels are the alphabets that represent the sound. Okay. Vowels, they represent the sound. A, A, E, O, U. Okay. In phonics, we call them right like this, and in alphabets A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so vowels are five: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, then what are consonants? Consonants are all alphabets except vowels: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are consonants. the consonants are all alphabets except vowels. Okay. So now there are two types of articles. First is definite articles and second is indefinite articles. So the definite articles are the, and the indefinite articles are a and n. Okay. So what is a? We use a with consonants. For example, I am reading a book. I am sitting on a chair. Okay. I am teaching you a lesson. So we are using with consonants. Like I said, chair, chair starts with C. So C is a consonant. I uh, I said a lesson. So lesson L. Okay, L is a consonant. So now and what is an? And we use and with vowels. For example, she eats an apple jelly. She eats an apple jelly. She likes to eat an orange. She her favorite no. Then what should we use? Yeah, he is eating an egg. An egg. So egg is starting with E. So an egg. So now the. We use the with any particular thing. For example, I'm visiting the Qaeda Azam seminar. I'm visiting the Qaeda Azam seminar. For example, she is going to the London. She is she likes to visit the Taj Mahal. See? So we use that with any particular thing or place. Okay? We use that with any particular thing or place. Okay? Now, there's an exercise for you. Uh, just wait a second. Let me do a correction. Okay. Now, exercise. So now is this exercise for you to understand all the questions and uh, easily do the work. So fill in the blanks with the correct article a and the. Number one, I am excited because it's Dash Friday. So you need to answer me in the comment section below and I will be waiting for your answers. Number two, he wants to be Dash Shakespeare. Shakespeare. Dash Shakespeare. No Horizon was directed by Dash late Steve Callan only 2 years before his death. By Dash late Steve Callan. I am telling you the main things to understand the question and then answer. Because in every time there's a question, you have to understand it. You have to um, underline the keywords. So in this one, what is the keyword for it? Let me tell you. The keyword for it is this, which I'm underlining right now. Okay. So this is the keyword for third one. She is dash legal. So you have to answer me in the comment section below and I will waiting for that. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.